So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer money from your savings account on RBC Direct Investing. So once the investment app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom here, press on the yellow circle, and then press on transfer funds. Once you're on this page at the top where it says from account, make sure that you select your savings account, and where it says to account, select the investment account that you want to transfer the money to. So this could be your non-registered, your TFSA, whatever the case may be. That is where you'll type it in. Under amounts, go ahead and type in the amount. So if you wanted to do $50, I would just go ahead and press on 50, type in your phone number, press continue to proceed with the transfer this way. So that is how to transfer money from your savings account on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.